Cucumber and green tea. At least we know it's gonna smell good. Hey, what's up YouTube? It's John with thenetguy.com, and today I was just wrapping up with this HP laptop rebuild and I noticed something about it. It is yucky. This thing is dirty. It's one of the dirtiest ones I've had in the shop here, and I thought, what a better opportunity to show how I clean a laptop before I send it back to a customer or friend.
I came from the mud. There's dirt on my hands.
Now, there's lots of ways you can do this. I've seen people with the spray bottles of cleaner doing that, but it's really, really dangerous. If that stuff gets down underneath the screen, or if it gets inside the keyboard, you've got other bigger problems to worry about. Other things I've heard of people using, Lysol wipes. Now, I couldn't find any because all of ours are gone because of COVID, but if you got your hands on these, you know, I wouldn't recommend them. They tend to leave a residue, especially on LCD screens. I have used them on the outside of a case before, and sometimes on the keyboard if they're not very wet. You don't want any of that excess going underneath the keyboard, but in general I try to shy away from them. Another popular one to use is baby wipes. Now these can be kind of interesting. In general they're okay if they don't have a fragrance or other treatments, in this case infused with cucumber and green tea. Huggies. So that means whatever you're wiping down here is going to stick and attract dirt and oils and other things you don't want. So baby wipes are out, except if you can get an all-natural one. Now the natural ones have water in them, so you got to be very careful. Again, it's usually just for working on the surface areas of the laptop for cleaning and you know, not hurting them that much. Another couple options are wet wipes, little wet wipes that have alcohol in them. Every time you buy an iPhone screen protector, they send you a million of these. They can be good because they don't have a high concentration of alcohol, but in general, alcohol breaks down rubber. So if you've got a really nice tactile keys or you've got a rubber treatment, that can be another bad option. Now the absolutely worst thing you can use is a paper towel. Believe it or not, paper towels are made out of wood fibers, and if you've ever gotten a sliver, you know what a wood fiber feels like. So they might look soft, and you might even buy the super soft paper towels, but they can actually still scratch delicate plastic screens. So stick with the microfiber, you're gonna be a lot happier, better off. So I was looking for a solution the other day, and I've been looking all over. I've got a lot of monitors here that, well, they all need to be cleaned pretty badly. And I reached out to a company that I saw had great reviews on Amazon, the Whoosh Company. And Whoosh Company, I said, hey, I've got this project. I'm gonna be doing some laptop cleaning, I'm gonna be doing some screen cleaning. What do you guys recommend? And they actually sent me out samples of their product. Now their product comes in two parts. You've got a screen cleaning spray, and most importantly, you have an antimicrobial microfiber cloth. Now this thing's really nice because you can actually use it to clean the screen, and you can dry the screen with the other side. So really, really cool product. Never ever spray directly on the screen. This is a no-no. Same problem, the fluid is going to go down under the screen, the excess fluid, and could get trapped. So you pick a side of the microfiber you want to use, and you spray 3 sprays onto the microfiber towel. Now gently wipe around, trying to get all the nooks and crannies. If it's still a little bit dirty or there's some oils that aren't coming off, they're stubborn, rinse and repeat. like this microfiber towel. It has two different textures. It has a soft side and a little bit more firm side, so you can rub on some of those sticky, stuck-on items. Now this is guaranteed 100% safe for your LCD panel or glass cell phone screen. And don't forget to clean that little webcam button at the top there. You want to be nice and clean when you're on your Zoom calls. And then they say when you're done, take the other side of the microfiber and use that to dry the screen. Now, if you already have a microfiber towel, there is another option. You can mix and dilute water with vinegar and make a very light concentration, and you'll be able to clean with that, the same kind of thing. But I find it much easier to talk to the Whoosh company. They've offered me a special deal for the Net Guy listeners. If you visit whoosh.com and you type in the Net Guy during checkout, they're going to give you 10% off their whole line of products. Also, they sent me out another thing I'm really excited about, the Whoosh Screen Shine Wipes, and they come with a small version of the microfiber towel that you can use and applicators. There's 20 individual wipes in here, so if you're on the go or you have a lot of screens or a lot of devices, you can pick one of these up and it's always ready to go. Whoosh wipes are also safe for all cell phone screens. You do the same process. Get the microfiber towel wet, wipe the screen down, flip it over, dry it off with the other side. And you end up with a super clean screen free of any residue. This has been John with thenetguy.com, and I hope you enjoy that tip on how to clean your laptop screen safely. Hey, thanks for making it to the end of my video. If you want, do me a solid, hit the like button down there, and if you didn't like it, tell me why in the comments. I would love to help you out. If you do need some tech help, you can hit us up on the Discord channel, links in the description below. And why not check out one of these other great videos? It's okay, I'll wait.